Hello dear learners, coming towards the part 2 from the experiment 1, that is to study the national immunization program, for the infants and the children, wherein we were on the theory or the principal part of the experiment, wherein the first part we have discussed the vaccines and its types. Now in second part we are going to discuss about the immunity and its types, which is the very simplest concept if you understand it properly. So we will move towards the introduction of the immunity. As you know, or as always, we will not read this definition first because it looks like, oh, it's so big. So we'll go for the simplest definition first, as we did for the vaccine. What is immunity? It is the power of the body to resist the effect of invasion of pathogen. Means what? बॉडी का ऐसा पावर जो इफेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेजन ऑफ पैथोजन को रेजिस्ट करे. मतलब क्या कि ये जो पैथोजन्स होते हैं, दीज आर द डिजीज कॉजिंग माइक्रोब्स. सो ये जो इन्वेड करते हैं बॉडी को, तो ये इन्वेड करने के बाद कुछ इफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो दिस टर्म इज कॉल्ड एज इफेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेजन ऑफ पैथोजन. मीन्स once the pathogen attacks the body, it will produce the effect. So the capacity of the body to resist this effect, मतलब ये जो इफेक्ट पैथोजन प्रोड्यूस करता है ये नहीं होना चाहिए, इसीलिए जो रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट किया जाता है थ्रू आवर बॉडी, तो ये बॉडी के पावर को वी कॉल इट एज इम्यूनिटी. So it is ability to produce and possess the specific protective antibodies or cellular mechanism as a result of a previous infection. Maybe the person has had an infection previously, or maybe that person has been immunized. Or body condition, so by such previous experience as to respond sufficiently to prevent the infection or clinical illness, or both. Means it can be immunized or the previous infection the patient had suffered, then the immunological memory which is present, it will recognize that particular antigen, and it will fight against that disease or that particular illness after the exposure to a specific infectious agent. So what is immunology? Now, as you all know, logy is to study, and immune, it is study of the immune system, that is body's bodyguard system, which includes antigen, antibody, their interactions, desirable and undesirable biological actions. So this is immunity types, wherein we are going to discuss various types. So first it is the natural immunity, which is nothing but the innate immunity, and the second one is the adaptive immunity, or it is also called as acquired immunity. So this natural immunity is nothing but through the species, races, or the specific characters, like you are born with wheat type of skin, for example, skin they have given here. So this is natural or innate immunity, and the adaptive immunity is further subdivided into the two forms, that is active and the passive immunity, wherein passive जो होता है वहाँ पे काम नहीं करना है, एक्टिव जो होता है उसमें एक्टिव रहना है, मतलब काम करना है. सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक्टिव के भी दो सब टाइप्स आर देयर, नेचुरल एंड आर्टिफिशियल, एंड पैसिव के भी दो सब टाइप्स आर देयर, नेचुरल एंड आर्टिफिशियल. बट इन पैसिव you don't have to work, in active you have to work a lot. The how come? Active, when it comes to natural, then the person develops the antibodies in response to the infection. मतलब या तो वो person बीमार हो चुका है, या तो वो person वो microbe से invade हो चुका है, और that person is going to produce the antibodies. This is natural, and the artificial in this case vaccine is being administered, which is nothing but an antigen containing preparation which will develop the antibodies in response to that antigen administered. In case of passive, since as I told you, ready-made antibodies are available, you don't have to work. So in this natural case, from where the ready-made antibodies will come? Through mother it will come, okay, through breast milk. As you all know, the colostrum, which contains a lot of nutritional content, okay, as well as it contains the antibodies also, which one can get from the mother's milk, which will fight against the several infections. Then the next is artificial, passive artificial, wherein gamma globulin, matlab ready-made antibody is administered and the response is elicited. So this is nothing but the classification of the immunity. So first, when we come to the natural immunity or innate immunity, it is natural, okay, so it is because of the specific characters like the species, whether then the age, okay, then the racial, individual, okay. Like age, if you will talk about, adults diphtheria को immune होते हैं, but the children in the age group 2 to 5 they are susceptible to the diphtheria. If you talk about the racial factor, Negroes have the high resistance to yellow fever than the whites, okay. If we talk about the individual factor, it depends upon the immune capacity of the individual. Some are resistant to the infections and some are sensitive to the infections, okay. So these are the natural factors. Then acquired immunity, if you will talk about, that is nothing but what you can say, it is like natural was innate, okay, and this is adaptive, okay, adaptive or acquired immunity, which is further subdivided into active and passive, okay, wherein you have seen here, which is natural, clinical or subclinical, it is also there active mein, and the same is there in passive from natural, that is congenital colostrum from which the antibodies are obtained. Then in passive artificial, it is either anti-sera or antitoxin, and in active from artificial, it is generally a vaccine, okay, antigen containing preparation. So this is the basic thing which we have seen in detail, but then also we'll go through. Active में natural and artificial है. Natural में the specific immunization usually associated with the presence of antibodies, okay, developed after the infection. And in case of artificial, it is developed after the antigen containing preparation ka injection, okay. So the vaccine can be live or dead, as we have seen in the part 1, okay, and the antibodies, immunoglobulins are produced which destroys the antigen, okay. So this is nothing but active immunity. When you come to passive, it is first natural, which is obtained from the mother's colostrum, okay, and then the passive may again artificial, wherein the ready-made antibodies are given to the humans like gamma globulins or immunoglobulins by injecting the preparation known as anti-serum, and the antibodies are produced in the animals. It is for short time span, passive immunity, and produce no memory mechanism and may have may show the side effects, okay. Then the next type of immunity is nothing but it is a herd immunity, which is also known by the name community immunity, also known by the name population immunity or social immunity. So these are the various names of the immunity, but from the name only you might have came to the meaning, that is, it is a level of immunity or resistance of a community or a group of people to a particular disease, okay, resistance to group of people. So it is community immunity, population immunity or social immunity. It develops because of the community immunization or infection and subclinical infection, okay. Continuous ongoing immunization, like as you can see now in COVID, can keep the herd immunity at a very high level. Okay, and the indirect protection can be obtained from the infectious disease. So this is nothing but the community immunity, population immunity, social immunity और herd immunity. मतलब जैसे कि कोविड में हुआ, either due to the infection which is being occurring, a person has developed the immunity, or through the vaccine, that is antigen containing preparation, person has developed the immunity. So this is community immunity, population immunity or social immunity. With this, we finish with the second part, that is immunity definition and its type. You can visit our website wherein the vast material is available, like notes, MCQs are available on our website, which is free of cost. You can visit our YouTube channel wherein you can find many more videos, MCQs on various subjects of the pharma, which is available the free of cost, as well as the paid membership is available. You can use the join button and you can take the advantage of that, starting from the rupees 29 per month, and there are various categories of the users, then Instagram page, Facebook, etc. With this, we finish with the part 2. In part 3, we will continue the theory or principal part about the National Immunization Program ka intro. Thank you.